Are we rolling?
Yeah.
All right. I
Action.
just wanted to document this. I'm gonna have my compost worm bin / worm bin constructed here, and I need to get it fired up for the summer. So I got wood chips from a local college. Sawdust just to line the bed. We have a couple of months worth of compost out here. Food waste. So we're going to drop this in. We'll see what happens in a month or two. Oh, that's horrible.
Yeah, I can smell that from here.
Yep. We got the, might have noticed it's tin lined on the inside to keep the rats out. Or if they fall in, they can't get out. And then on the outside, it has half-inch mesh all the way around to keep rats from getting in. Plywood construction. And here's the worms that have been waiting. There's a few in there. Oh no, the light's probably not too good. I'll cover the trees. Alright, maybe you can see them in here better. Oh yeah, there's a few. There they are. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at the size of that guy. He's huge. Anyway, right, temporary lid. It's just some half-inch plywood with some dead pansies on it for the seeds. And I'll figure out a way. I was going to hinge it, but I kind of like it loose, so I'm going to do it loose for right now. But just in case some kids walk by, I'm going to have to maybe put a piece of lip on the inside so she stays in the center.
So you've done this before?
Yeah, I had a 4x8. This is 30x30x30 pretty much. I'm not going to get exacting, but it should take a little while, and those worms will turn that food waste into dirt, and I'll just keep adding more, and we'll check up on it later. Thanks for filming. Join us later. Subscribe and like. You're supposed to